Close your eyes. Imagine Earth from space, a perfect blue marble. Now open them. What if that blue was gone? What if it was replaced by a sick, murky green? This isn't science fiction. It's not a horror movie. NASA confirms a terrifying truth. More than half of Earth's oceans are already changing color. The blue planet is quietly dying.
Before we face the nightmare, we need to understand the dream. Why does the ocean look blue in the first place? The answer isn't magic, it's physics. Pure water absorbs the slow, warm, red wavelengths of sunlight, but scatters the energetic blue ones, sending them back to our eyes. In deep, clear waters, life is scarce. There are few organisms to interfere with the light. That's when blue dominates. Calm, clean, endless. But this balance, this quiet agreement between light and life, is beginning to break.
But the ocean isn't just water. It's alive. And its true rulers are almost invisible. Meet the phytoplankton, microscopic engineers unseen by the human eye, yet powerful enough to be visible from space. Inside them is chlorophyll, the same green pigment found in plants on land. They drift by the trillions, floating with the currents, quietly turning sunlight into energy. When their numbers rise, something dramatic happens. The ocean changes. Deep blue fades, and vibrant green takes over.
So how do we know this isn't just a seasonal change? Because for over 20 years, NASA's Aqua and Terra satellites have been watching the oceans from above. They don't guess, they measure. By analyzing the light reflected from the ocean's surface, they built a timeline of truth, and the data is undeniable. 56% of the world's oceans, an area larger than all land on Earth combined, has shifted toward green. And this change isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. So why should you care about the color of water? Because this shift toward green is a signal of chaos. As oceans warm, their layers begin to separate. Nutrients trapped below can no longer reach the surface. The food web starts to collapse. Less plankton diversity means less food for fish, and eventually, less food for us. But the danger goes even deeper. These microscopic organisms produce nearly half of the oxygen you breathe. If the ocean begins to suffocate, humanity gasps for air. If this trend continues, we enter a new era, an era of something called dead zones, vast regions of the ocean where oxygen levels fall to zero. No fish, no whales, just bacteria and slime. As these zones spread, the structure of our planet begins to change. Storms grow stronger and far more unpredictable. Coastlines become unstable, then uninhabitable. The ocean doesn't just change color anymore, it becomes a hostile, alien world, right here on Earth. The ocean is the memory of our planet. And right now, it has a fever. We can't repaint the water blue, but we can stop the heat that turns it green. The color of our future depends on the choices we make today. So look at the ocean one last time. Will it remain a blue jewel or become a green memory?